Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into your Google account. This grants chat access to contacts and spaces. Open Gmail, Chat, Google, Com, or the Google Chat app. Pick what fits your workflow. Once done, allow notifications and microphone/camera permissions if you plan to call. This avoids interruptions later. Make sure your browser or app is updated so features behave predictably. These steps get you into the right environment quickly and reduce permission friction. Now create or join a chat. Click New Chat for one-to-one messages or New Space to build a group workspace. You do this because Spaces let you organize topics and files. Search for teammates by name or paste an email to invite external collaborators. Once members are added, set a clear topic and adjust notifications so only essential alerts come through. If you need structure, create threads inside a space to keep discussions focused and searchable. That prevents message overload later. Finish by using chat features. At Mention People to notify them, start threads for organized replies, attach files, and launch a meet link for live calls. These tools speed collaboration. If something breaks, first confirm your internet and account permissions. Make sure the app is allowed to sync. If issues persist, sign out and back in, clear cache, or reinstall the app to reset corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check that your Google Workspace admin hasn't restricted chat access, because that commonly blocks features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.